Greetings from Collegedunia. I would like to inform our viewers that Dr. Naveen Padmadas is a faculty with Department of Bioinformatics for past 16 years, a strategist and critical thinker who has done his master's and PhD in bioinformatics. He also holds certification in human resource management. He has played an instrumental role in setting up of bioinformatics department at the School of Biotechnology and Bioinformatics. He is also the regional coordinator of virtual labs in association with IIT Bombay for Navi, Mumbai, Thane and Raigad region. And we are truly delighted to have him on a leadership series, Thoughtful Leaders. Welcome, sir. So, sir, can you tell us briefly about...
Thank you, Tejeshwar.
Sir, can you tell us briefly about the programs that are offered by your institute and how it helps students to stand apart from the crowd?
Yeah. So if you look at the programs which we offer, we have UG and PG programs in the offering. In UG level, we have programs in BTech in biotechnology, bioinformatics and data sciences, BTech in biomedical engineering, BTech in food science and technology. And then apart from that, in masters, we have integrated programs in biotechnology, which is a 5-year course, which can be pursued after the 12th standard. And then we have a master's in food science and technology, master's in biotechnology, bioinformatics. So anything related to biosciences, if you want to learn, our institute is the best option you have. So this bioinformatics and data science is a very latest program which we have added to our offering. So recently in the year 2018, we started with the BTech in bioinformatics and data sciences. I would like to tell a little bit about the bioinformatics and data science program, being a novel program. As you know, data sciences is something which allows the extraction of practical insights from large-scale data, isn't it? So if you look into the large companies, they all have used several computational and statistical techniques to mine high volumes of commercial and social data. So along in that bandwagon itself, genomics also joined, macromolecular structure studies also joined. So bioinformatics and data science is such a program where we have carefully captured the importance of the science, and then we have carefully designed this particular program. So that's the latest addition to our program, and which majorly captures the genomics and data sciences of it. It's a very unique program. You know, we are the only institute in India to offer such a unique program. It's like data science as a common subject is taught everywhere. If you see, many of the institutes are offering it. But how much is genomics or how much is biological sciences making use of this data science is something nobody as a university have pondered into. So we are the first university to find the potential of biological sciences and the amount of data generated. And we have understood the potential of the importance of data science in the analysis of genomic data, and we have carefully tailored this program.
That's really great to know, sir. Sir, when you came to the college, what was your mission and how are you trying to achieve the same?
Okay, so to share my experience, I started my career in this college itself about 16 years back. As a young graduate, young postgraduate in bioinformatics, I belong to the first batch of bioinformatics in this country. Soon after my post-graduation itself, I found an opportunity and joined this college. So the most attracting thing for me was that the vision of our university. The university was always our founder chancellor, Dr. DY Patil, is a very good visionary. He was always in the front rank to introduce new programs to the society. If somebody wants to procure new programs and all, he was always in the offering in the forefront to offer such kind of programs. So when I came to that DY Patil wants to offer this kind of programs, I joined this campus as a young postgraduate. And once I joined it, I was very fortunate that the kind of facilities what the founder chancellor was ready to offer us was very encouraging. So that gave us a lot of things to think about how we should progress. Okay, so I have passed through the ups and downs of this institute, and when I joined this institute, the only thing what I was in my mind was the course curriculum should be a friendly one and a flexible one towards education. I want everything to be on a problem-based learning. So for that, a lot of data is required for our programs and all. A lot of industrial support is required and such kind of things and all. So that we were able to procure from the running hospital which we have, with doctors which we have. We all got an opportunity to interact with the doctors. You all must be aware of DY Patil Hospital, which is a very big hospital in Navi, Mumbai. Then we get to see so many cross-disciplinary professionals in the area, and that and all encouraged and helped me a lot to prosper in this career, and to help to whatever I have procured over the period of time, I was able to transfer that knowledge to my students as well. So that was one important thing which I felt is that was my vision, that whatever I'm learning, whatever I'm procuring from the industry, from the experts, needs to be transferred to the students so that the students are benefited. That was my intention. Yeah.
That's a really novel thought, sir. So you spoke about the curriculum. So how do you strategize that curriculum is updated,
Yes.
and how it is in sync with the market trends?
Okay. If you look at the curriculum, we have an expert panel who designs the curriculum. I'm also one among the member of that panel. We have major revision of the curriculum every 5 years. Okay, it's a major revision, and then minor revision every 2 years. Okay. So apart from that, if the industry feels that a student needs to be trained in such a manner, and if we have a real requirement from the industry, and if the industry inputs are encouraging us to speedily change the curriculum, we are open for that. We have a very good expert panel. We have a visionary leader with us that who is always ready to implement changes which are essential for the improvement or upbringing of the students. So that's one attraction which we have. So whenever we design the program, we take opinion from our alumni. We consult our alumni who are there in the industry, because we are offering this program since 2003. A good number of students are there as our alumni who are in high positions and all, who knows the industry pulse. We have frequent discussions with them. Then we discuss with research scientists or research organizations. We invite them to our college for multiple interactions and all. We invite them for webinars. We interact. Other than that, also we invite them for discussions and all. So all these things gives us a source to understand what is the real requirement in the industry. And the flexibility which our university offers helps us and makes it easy for us to implement the requirement of the industry in the curriculum. So that's how we balance the requirement of the industry and the requirement of the research organization. And I can bet and tell you, our students are always exposed to the latest of the curriculum which is available in the market, and latest of the knowledge is what they procure when they go out of the college. And that is the industry feedback which we regularly receive from our stakeholders who continuously recruit from us.
That's really great to know, sir. Sir, can you throw some light on the career option after pursuing this course?
Okay, so if you look at the career options, now data science is something which is upcoming, as I told you. Not upcoming really, the data analysis is existing since 1960s itself. It was registered in some Turkish documents in the year 1960 itself as data analysis. But right now, that has become a buzzword through social media and other such kind of things and all. So data scientist jobs are always open for the students who who pursue this particular course curriculum. Major emphasis is on biological data sciences, biological data analysis. So genomic scientist is the job which he can procure for. Then macromolecular designing, structural designing in the pharmaceutical industries, in the drug industries. Then if you have read about pharmacogenomics, wherein personalized medicine is becoming a trend in the Western world, and soon it is approaching our country as well. So in such kind of areas, and the students are getting well trained and all. So when it comes to bioinformatics and data science, it's the right mix of biology, computer science and statistics. Okay, so a student has to be good in all these three fields. He should know biology. So our curriculum is also designed that enough amount of biology is included in the curriculum, then computer programming, then computer technology, which is essential for understanding the data analysis part, and the statistics behind understanding the data analysis. All these things are equally amalgamated in this curriculum. Hence, the student has multiple opportunities, an array of opportunities for him. He gets into computational, he gets into personalized genomic data analysis, he gets into computational and data scientist jobs, he gets into life sciences data scientist job, then he gets into clinical genomics, then genomics variant scientist, then he gets into drug industry, he gets into hospitals, he gets into medical device generating. As of now, if you have seen, you have seen that a lot of medical data is also getting generated. So analysis of that medical data, a lot of wearable devices in your hands and all people wear and record their health data and all. So these data analysis can also be done. All these places, this data analysis finds a job. So you ask me where he gets an opportunity, the world is his opportunity for data scientists, and especially in genomics. That's what I would say.
Rightly said, sir. Sir, at last, what would be your suggestion or message to the students who are going to be the part of this institute?
And nobody will work so long unless the environment is so cool and so good. So I this goal. Okay, the 4 years when if they are doing the BTech program for 4 years, or if they are doing a master's program for 2 years, or an integrated program for 5 years, doesn't matter. I'm sure that they will have the best of the time in their life. Okay, we have the right mix of, apart from academics, we have the right mix of cultural, science, and sports activities. You all must be knowing about the DY Patil sports stadium which we have in our campus, in our parent university campus. We do have access to that facility. Then we have annual sports festivals. Then we have annual scientific festivals called as Technozar. Then we have annual cultural festival called as Species, where students put across their creative, students put across their show of their talents and all. So it's a colorful time when you are in DY Patil School of Biotechnology and Bioinformatics campus. It's going to be a colorful period of your life. That's what I can say. So you will have all the mix in your life.
That's really a great message, sir. This discussion was really insightful. I'm sure viewers will learn a lot from it. Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Tenishu. Thank you.